Hey! Today we're gonna make a quick Thai curry soup. I'm gonna start off by taking one sweet potato and peel it and cut it into cubes. What are you doing? Continuing by taking one small eggplant and also dice it into cubes. Now I'm gonna take one small zucchini and cut it into half moons. After that, we're gonna take one small onion and also cut it into half moons. Now we're gonna take 2 cloves of garlic and cut them into slices. And we're gonna finish our prepping by taking one small chili pepper and cut it also into slices. If you don't want it too spicy, you can take out the seeds. First, you're gonna cook your glass noodles according to package instructions. I'm gonna take like 100 grams and I'm just gonna pour some hot water over them and let them sit for 5 minutes. Now you're gonna heat a big pot and put a little bit of coconut oil inside. Around 2 tablespoons maybe. Give it a good heat. And you're gonna fry your onion, garlic and chili pepper for around 3 minutes. Until they're golden. Now you're gonna add your chopped sweet potatoes and roast it for another minute or so. You can add your eggplant and zucchini inside, and you can roast it for another 2 or 3 minutes. You can continue by adding around 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. That depends a little bit on your taste. If you like it spicy, you can add also more. Stir that so the veggies are coated with the curry paste and roast it for another minute or 2. We're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk to our soup. If it's not enough liquid, you also can add a little bit of water, which I'm gonna do. Mix it. And we're gonna continue with our seasonings. I'm gonna take 1 cube of veggie stock powder, a bit of fish sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, now 2 or 3 kaffir lime leaves. This is optional. You can also take basil. One piece of dried galangal. You can substitute that with ginger. And some pieces of dried lemongrass. Of course, you can use fresh if you have, but I don't have it here. Okay, stir it one more time and let that simmer for around 10 minutes until the veggies are soft. After 10 minutes, your soup should look like this, and you're just gonna finish it off by adding a little bit of sesame oil. And you're gonna stir it one more time, and you're ready to enjoy your soup. Let's assemble. Put your soup into a bowl. Top it off with your glass noodles. Stay here. And add a little bit of lime juice on top. And bon appetit!